2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.